Shout out everybody showing love, sharing my videos, my dislikers, my likers, my subscribers, my father, my brothers, everybody that took the time to watch this video, even the ones that didn't, you know. I wouldn't know where I would be. Just keep me off the TV. We're all at the money. Road to riches, Tennessee, and people jumping in the front seat, please. I swear I don't know half of y'all. Didn't think I could rap, huh? Now supporters bouncing off the wall, drinking all my Tylenol, thinking that Joe flow was sick. Money ain't everything, money ain't everything. Words from the wise and rich, we're money hungry, money greedy. I'm just trying to feed the needy. I'm just trying to show the world, be what you can be, see what was meant to see. I feel the path to the deep, and really free. Lost girls kept keys, people blowing out the knees. It was all fun and games till they started tapping in our brains. Dang. Niggas be posing like trophies. Niggas be frontin' like emojis. Support from people down on me. I dabbed and changed as I held my nose, and all these people blinds like I got the curtains closed. Fake like GMOs. Boy, I'm ready, swear I'm ready like I just left home. The end is getting closer. If life's a roller coaster, we've been upside down too long, and I'm starting to feel impulsive. Way too young to be tired. U.S. Army getting wired. Why y'all living life wild? Death to what's beside you. Shout out to Makaja. We're trying to aim higher, man. Just listen to the liars. Blonde hair and blue eyes, what's perfect? And I just spent a lot of time like it was worth it. Had to get up and make a change, this ain't working. Thanks for all the shares. Life isn't fair, but I love it.